What's up, guys? We're back at part 3 of turkey hunting. So, I'm going to Hunter's house. I'll see you there. I'm so hyped for today. It's the first day. It's like, it has to be like 70 degrees out. It is so hot. I don't know why I wore this fleece. It's hot as hell. Yeah, but I guess as an intro, this is gonna be part 3, guys. So, I'm driving with one hand. Let's get it done. Safety first. This time the camera won't fall over, so that's good. Yeah. So I'm headed to Hunter's. I'll check back with you then. He's like 15 yards from me.
Nope.
Not sexy though. Hey guys, we made it. Here's Hunter.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, we're gonna go shoot a turkey. Turkey in sight. We're gonna get a gobbler today. Okay guys, we're set up. The spread is over here. Okay. Yeah, you can't see the other one. But we got the spread set up. What do you guys say?
Let's get her done.
Yeah, we're gonna get a turkey, so let's see if we can get one. Okay guys, the deer came back. Yeah, around 2. Yeah, you can sort of see that. I will keep you posted. Alright, there's turkeys literally right over there. But they're not coming in, so we moved up and we're gonna try to call away. Hunter's setting up the decoys right now. One down, boys. Look at this guy. Dude. Oh, that ain't dead. What's up, guy? Okay, we're at home. Here's the bird. It's a big one. What do you think? What do you think, Hunter?
I think this is bullshit.
He's salty because he got a little one. Well, that's okay. It's his first bird. Both of us. Oh, look at the shithead. There's shithead right in the window. Anyways, we're gonna pluck this sucker and make it a Thanksgiving feast.
Yes, sir.
Except it's A couple more months till Thanksgiving.
You got a while.
Alright guys, just checking in. I'm plucking the bird. It's going at a moderate process, so yeah. Alright, here's an update for you guys. We got the bird almost done. Just gotta gut it and get the head off over there. And how happy are you, Hunter? You excited for your first bird? Yeah, he's a wussy. He put gloves on.
It's called being not getting this. What's up, guys? So we just got done plucking it and then gutting it, and we're cleaning it. Here's the semi-finished product. It's kind of
Now it's pretty finished.
Yeah.
This is better than the store-bought turkeys. Big butter balls. Anyways, so this wraps it up for this episode then. For turkey hunting, episode 3 maybe. I haven't been filming like anything, so yeah. Probably gonna trim this part right here. Oh wait! What the heck are you doing here? What's this right here?
Blood rinsed out.
There ain't any blood in there.
Still.
Yours looks real tasty. Hey guys, so here's a little outro. Yeah, outro for the turkey series. We filled our tags, as you can see. We didn't get any filming of mine, which was a little bit bigger, you know. I'm just kidding. But Hunter just shot at Jake, which is pretty sweet. We filled our tags, so probably no more turkey hunting videos, but.
No, there will be. I'm buying another turkey.
Oh, you getting another turkey tag?
Yeah.
Alright, well, probably for him. I don't know if I'm going to get another one. We'll see. But this is signing off for Turkey Series General Tag 2020, Montana.
Right outside of this one church town, there's a gold dirt road to a whole lot of nothing. Got a deed to the land, but it ain't my ground. This is God's country. We pray for rain and thank Him when it's falling, 'cause it brings a grain and a little bit of money. We put it back in a plate, I guess that's why they call it God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. We turn the dirt and work until the week's done. We take a break and break bread on Sunday, then do it all again, 'cause we're proud to be from God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. God's country. I don't care what my headstone reads or what kind of pine wood box I end up in. When it's my time, lay me 6 feet deep in God's country.